Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans and we're back with another video. And this video is going to be cash stuffing my mom's binder with her March sinking funds and bills, and let's get into the video. So we're stuffing a total of, let's see if we can get that. It's $1,369. And let's get a little quick cash count. Let's see what we have here. Haven't counted it yet. This is what she gave me. So let's see. Let's organize this here. All right, so let's get a quick cash count. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,020, 40, 60, 80, 1,200, 1,220, 30, 40, 50. So 1,250, 1,300, 310, 25, 35, 45. So 1,345, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So $1,369. So get a quick little photo there. So let me get my cash tray so that we can get this set up. All right, let's get this set up real quick. So today we're stuffing, like I said, we're stuffing some sinking funds. We're stuffing bills. We're just trying to get caught up here. And if my voice sounds a little funny, y'all just excuse me. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather this weekend. And we're a little behind making this video because we were waiting for her money to come in and get to the bank so we could do this cash stuffing. So let's get into the video and start the stuffing. So we are stuffing $1,369. And the first thing we're going to stuff is renter's insurance, which is getting $6. So that's going to be a 5 and a 1. Let's see how much we have now. We have 10, 11, 12. So we are saving up for next year's insurance. We have already paid this year's. Car insurance, that's getting $108. So let's see, that's getting a 100. A 5 and 3 ones. So 100 and a 5. So now we have 100, 200, 5, 10. So 210, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 216. And I will update the trackers once we're done with this cash stuffing. I did make the labels for her envelopes, which I didn't have before in my last video. I did work on that and get that done. So now we have labels. Car registration is getting $14. And that is a 10 and 4 ones. 2, 3, and 4. So now car registration has 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28. And this is going towards car registration that's due at the end of this year. Next one is medicines, and that one is currently getting $1. So now we have $2. Since she's on a very fixed income, I'm encouraging her to save what little bit she can, even if it is $1 or $2, because it all adds up, and then she wouldn't have to be able to try to fit that in her budget in the in-between times. So since it's $1, I was like, you can put that aside. It's something she gets quarterly, and it's something she gets from the pharmacy. So I just encourage her just to go ahead and save that money however she can, whenever she can, so she already has it when she needs it. Gifts is getting $25. And this is going to be for any gifts that she would like to buy. She's getting a 20 and a 5. So now we have $50 in gifts. And this can be for Christmas, birthdays, any gifts that she wants to buy whenever she wants to buy them. Next one is printer ink, and that is getting $17, and that is getting a 10, a 5, and 2 ones. So a 10, a 5, and 2 ones. So we have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $34. Next one is Google Drive. This is for our Google One account for our annual renewal subscription. It's getting $3, and we currently have $3, so now we're going to have $6. Next one is going to be Bluehost, and this is for her website, for her store that she's going to be opening up soon. She does like embroidery stuff. She does like blankets and t-shirt blankets and little knickknack stuff, baby gifts, stuff like that. So she's opening up a little Shopify store coming up. And this is also getting $3. So 1, 2, 3. So now we have 6. This is an annual thing, so we'll just be saving up. Okay, so the next section is bills. So we are going to be saving rent, which is $877. So I believe that is getting 800s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 50, 75, 76, 77. Yes. Okay. So we have, let's give it a count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 870, 875, 76, 77. For rent. And this is for April's rent. We have already paid March's rent. This is for next month's rent. We are a month ahead on bills. Utilities. This is for gas, trash, sewer, and water, I believe. So for her apartment. So utilities is getting $125. And that is 2 50s. 2 10s and a 5. Oh, we're gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 125. 100, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 125 for utilities. Her utilities bills vary a lot, and right now, sorry guys, I had a message. So her utility bills vary a lot. It could be anywhere from, 50, 70. It could be 125. It just depends. So we're trying to aim high. Last month, we were $10 short on what we had estimated her bill might be. So now we've upped that to last month's amount, which was like 124 and some change. So we're going to stuff 125. And hopefully at some point, we'll be able to have a little bit of a buffer in there for those months when it is very high and doesn't have enough. So hopefully we'll be able to have enough going forward. And electric is getting 120. And that is 120. So 120. And we haven't paid March's electric bill yet, so we still have that money in here as well. So we'll just go ahead and give it all a count. We have 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240. And I hope I counted that correctly. Next one is car wash, and that is getting 20. We don't have anything in there right now, so we are just going to be stuffing 20. The next one is the internet, and that one is getting 50. And that should be our last two 20s and a 10. And this is all for April's bills. We have everything we need for March's bills already. We will be depositing the money for the electric bill into the bank later on this month when the bill is due. And then we'll make that payment. But as of right now, this is all for April's bills. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for updates. You've probably already watched the March budget with me for her budget and the February closeout, and now we're doing the cash stuffing. So the next thing we'll do is just update as we go along throughout the month and see how we're doing on the budget. But yeah, so stay tuned for the next video. Bye.